Hey everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the April mystery. I feel like I just done the last mystery reveal, but here we are for the April reveal, and I am so excited, and I need to figure out time to use this kit because it is so cute. I love the colors, I love the foil, I love everything about it. So let's go ahead and get into it. This kit has already shipped, and it's on its way to you if you are a subscriber. If you subscribe next month, it will be a different theme. If you're looking for this theme, I would check out the Buy Sell Trade group. I always try and link it down below, but that's on Facebook. So here she is. So I wanted to do a boardwalk theme. I don't know if I've actually ever done a boardwalk theme that was exclusive. I think one time otherwise there's been a boardwalk theme, but a boardwalk theme with some food, some games, the vibes, and I love the way that this turned out. It is exclusive art as always, and wait till you see the extra this month because it is very cute. So let's go over the ultimate kit first. Let me give you some zoom in. I know you guys like these zoom ins. Funnel cake is everything. Do you like funnel cake? Like, of these three, what should be your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. Ice cream. Add ice cream in there. So ice cream. So out of those four, what's your favorites? It's so stinking cute. I'm nowhere near Boardwalk, but it's something that will happen in my life probably within the next 5 years. And this is a thick one too because there's also like more. So this is kind of a big one. The Ultimate's kind of a big one this month. I forgot about it until I'm like feeling it. I'm like, what's wrong with this kit? Wait till y'all see. So not only you have the foil bundle, but you have an extra foil thing. We'll see that. But there's also extra sheets. So let's go ahead and do it. This month is thick. It feels thick. So you have the deco page. Look at these colors. Look at these colors. They're everything. They're beautiful. I mean, come on. The candy apple, the hat, these cuties here on the Ferris wheel. So stinking cute. I love these colors. I'm so obsessed. I want to go to the boardwalk now, actually. You got the little balloon pop, which is like my favorite game. I'm sure it's probably like rigged, but you know. And you have the doodles, the extra color, which is the green. It wouldn't remind you. Those are the color. Well, it's probably easier to show you on this page. Those are the colors. The green just melds in perfectly if you want to add that in. And then this is where you get a lot of boxes here. So there is the 5 different holding the teddy bear. Then you have the 5 different like fashion looking behind, and then you have these 6 kiddos. So you got lots of box options here along with the ones that are already in the kit, and I just am obsessed and love everything about this. It's just so pretty and beautiful and perfect. Though you have like 6 of them because there's the one on the front page too. So you kind of get like fam options here. So I hope y'all love this. I think it's so cute. It makes me want a funnel cake real bad right now. And that is the ultimate kit. Then let's go ahead into the foil bundle, which I thought for this, hollow was the option. My second choice would be lavender hollow, but I think that the hollow leans more into like the bluish purple green kind of colors in here, and I really liked that. And also with these, because it's confetti, you can use this with any kit. So if you don't like this with this one, you can use it with another kit and pull in whatever foil color you like. So you have the confetti here, the older format still. I think this is one of the last ones with the older format. And then also the extra is a super cute. So we did this in, what kit was it? Think the book kit. It was February, I believe. And y'all loved it. So this is the kind of like carnival add-on. We will be bringing it to the shop. I'll actually show you right now, because I'll probably slot it in soon in case you have other kits. I might actually use this with the carnival kit. I'm going to be using that for going to the rodeo. So I'm going to be bringing it to the shop in gold, silver, rose, hollow, sparkly hollow, champagne lights, lavender hollow, and matte bronze. So this here, let me actually show it to you in silver because I feel like it's always easiest to see in silver. So you have a full box here, which is a perfect little frame with the cotton candy, because cotton candy is so good, with these adorable little fancy headers that are little banners. Oopsies, through that. Then you have some deco stars. Then you have some little mini icons. You can either use them as deco, or I would use them on little things as mini icons. And then you have the bottom washi of the like tickets with the SBC bow, which I thought was just a super cute touch. And that'll be perfect to make any kit a rodeo, a carnival, a boardwalk theme kit. I'm sure that there's other themes that you're thinking of might go well with this too. So let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to know. And then that is the ultimate kit. So she has a couple extras. She even, when you get her, you're going to be like, yeah, she feels thick. So that is everything for the ultimate mystery kit. And I am just obsessed. I love these colors. It makes me want funnel cake. I think funnel cake, that's my answer for between the four. Funnel cake is my favorite. I think then soft serve, because I just do really love a soft serve cone with sprinkles. I might need to get some soon. But let's go over the mini kit. The mini kit still gets a little extra, and it also has an extra sheet above the mini kit format. So you get the same full boxes, the same deco page, the same glitter headers. This is the mini kit exclusive page with your labels and boxes and such. Then you also have your bottom washi page, and then this is the like extra, like the freebie. You get the label and then the second color, so you got plenty in here to make a full spread. And then also there is a foil freebie, and I went ahead and added the carnival little, I think I'm gonna call it carnival, maybe carnival or boardwalk, I don't really know, fair add-on. We're gonna think of a name for it, but it could kind of go for all of them. That's the thing. I wanted to keep it a little less specific so that it could go with more things. That's my thoughts for the little add-ons. So again, that is the April mystery. It has already shipped, so I won't be offering it for a year. We keep the mysteries exclusive to mystery subscribers for a year, and then they usually come to the shop. But if you were looking for this sooner and you are not subscribed, definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group. I will try and link it down below, but otherwise I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye!